wait till you see this view. South Carolina. Wow. Alright, we are unpacking the groceries my parents brought, and so far we have set up the fridge with some things and also the freezer.
And then we did some books. I'm halfway, I'm that far through that one.
What is it?
My sister sent me these. You can, if you want to put this on the video.
Yeah, I'm filming right now.
My sister sent me 32 books for my birthday, all New York Times bestsellers.
Hey guys, so hello from beautiful Kiawah Island. Didn't think this trip was gonna happen, but here we are, it worked out. Luckily the island was not too damaged by the storm. They did, I think, have a little bit of flooding, but I think it was much less than they originally anticipated. So I'm here right now with my parents. My dad's coming outside now, my mom's inside doing something, and my sister and her husband Justin are coming tomorrow. And yeah, we just got set up here, and now we're gonna go out and get dinner and maybe go to the grocery store and then just kind of ease in for the evening. Oh, look at that sunset.
You know that, right?
Dad just pointed out that tiny dot way out there. That is a shrimp boat. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Hey guys, so they told us only 12 people checked in today in the whole island. So we're hoping that there's a place we can get some food at Freshfields, which is like a shopping center near the villas. We're at La Tela Pizzeria. They look open, hopefully they'll let us in. Pizzeria, and it was really good. I got to go stand by the pizza oven and talk to Chef Carlos. Carlos, what's up? We love the pizza, it was really good. Yeah, we are just kind of chilling at the condo, I guess is what this is considered, a villa or whatever, and we're just kind of settling in for the night. I'm super tired because I was up till midnight editing the Seeing Brene Brown vlog and what I eat in a day video, and then I still had to pack, so I was like packing between I think 12:30 and 1 a.m. last night, so super tired. Definitely ready for a good night of sleep. Guess I will end today's video here and then see you guys in the morning. Good night. Do you guys know what time it is? Sweatpants time. Morning, it is coffee o'clock. I found this cold coffee at the grocery store last night. It is a Kiawah organic blend, dark roast. It says smooth, rich, and full-bodied with chocolate overtones. I don't normally like dark roast, but I thought I'd get this one since it's called the Kiawah coffee and we're at Kiawah. This is breakfast. This is a garden from my mom's tomato garden. Well, from her garden. This is a fried egg. This is some cotton candy grapes. I might get some more. This is a bagel that is from a local bakery in Greenville, called, I think, Greenfields. Is it Greenfields?
Greenfields, yeah.
Greenfields. And this is just an everything bagel, lightly toasted with a little butter. And then this is some of the Kiawah Island blend coffee that I just got. Here's the view from breakfast. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So here is where we would normally go to the beach, but as you can see, it's just a little bit flooded from the hurricane. Found another walkway, so we're gonna see if we can get to the beach from here. That one was closed.
They were able, because of the storm, to get a lot of shells.
Oh yeah.
We could probably find
Oh, look at that nice collection.
it lends a nice sort of sculptural form to the units. The architects like to think that rounded forms, you know, are softer and more anthropomorphic. Usually not done because they double and triple the cost.
Rounded?
Yep. Takes a lot more money to build a rounded form out of wood than a square one.
All right, we've passed about 4 boardwalks, but they've all been closed. But this one says beach access to the left. So we're gonna see if there's one open over here. As my dad was pointing out, it's still a very nice walk. Whether you're walking on the beach, with the boardwalk, or even just through the parking lot. It's actually kind of nice over there too. We found one.
Now we need to remember which number it is.
Yeah, we will. we're going to try to find some place for lunch because my sister has created a menu for the rest of the vacation. So we have meals planned for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert, an important component. And we just have one more meal planned for out, which is my annual birthday lunch at Jasmine's Porch. So we're just headed back to the villa now. It's pretty bright out, feels really good. We're just doing a little bit of seashell hunting because the storm washed up a bunch of shells on the beach, so there are tons of really nice shells around here. And yeah. Did lunch at La Tella Pizzeria. We had a good meal there last night, so we thought that we'd go there again for lunch today. And now we are shopping at Freshfields. There are a bunch of little boutiques and stores here, and Dad and I spotted a bookstore that we would like to visit, so we are headed that way. White chocolate wonderful, dark chocolate dreams, buy one get one free. Headed to the beach. Hopefully I can get there because a lot of the boardwalks are closed right now because of the hurricane damage. And I'm gonna do a beach workout and get my ab challenge on. Alright guys, so I'm just doing a walk on the beach for a cardio warm-up. I wish I could be doing a bicycle warm-up, but they said when I tried to rent the bikes that the city hadn't cleared the paths yet, and to try calling back at the end of the day. So the good news is I called back. I guess maybe I should put this on me. I called back and they said that they have been cleared to rent the bikes, but I cannot rent them until tomorrow. So for tonight, it's gonna be a walking warm-up. I'm not supposed to be running. When I was working with my physical therapist, he said that I should not run. So I'm really not trying to push the limits too much. I know I do a little bit of dance fitness, but I feel like that's different because it's not as bouncy, because I generally take out the jumping when I'm doing that kind of cardio workout. It's a really beautiful night for a beach walk anyways. I mean, look at this place. So I just walked, I don't even know how far I walked. I just walked until I felt like I was about halfway to as much as I wanted to walk, and now I'm walking back, and I'll do some toning when I get back. But I'm still full from lunch. I didn't even finish all of my food. I took some to go, but still somehow managed to overeat. So I was hoping that the walk would help me like digest more of the food and I would be more ready to work out, but to be honest, I'm still very full. So I hope the toning portion goes okay because the walking portion is easy enough, but the next part could be a bit of a challenge. But we'll see what we can do. Keep this workout a little on the shorter side. I'm just really tired from like the work week and just kind of decompressing, and I'm still full from lunch. So I'm glad I got a workout in, maybe not as much as I originally wanted to, but better than nothing. So I think as long as you're moving in the right direction, you're doing a good job. That that is it for this workout. I'm gonna go back inside and see if my family needs any help making dinner. A really nice, fluffy, tender fried egg. And we're having some of those locally baked bagels. I got blueberry, and my mom's gonna have cheese. And then she cut up some tomatoes from their garden. And this is breakfast. Hey guys, it's about 12:30. We are finally making it to the beach. We just kind of like walked around there outside yesterday for a little bit. Today is like a beach day. We have rented chairs and umbrellas, and hopefully we'll be able to get some good quality time out here. Should be some good vitamin D intake. A collection here, but you're just gonna pick one?
Maybe a couple more, but not all of them.
Because as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful out here. And yeah, Kiawah is just one of my favorite places on earth to be, and I'm just so happy to be here and so happy to be celebrating my birthday with my family. So, and you, because you guys are watching this too. Collected a bunch of shells earlier, and she left them with our chairs because we thought we were coming right back out, but then the high tide rushed in. So I am out here seeing if I can recollect some shells for her. Alright, here is the collection I found for my sister, and we're gonna knock on the door and surprise her with it. Okay, you guys ready? We're gonna see if she likes the shells. I know you lost your shells earlier.
Okay.
So I went to the beach and got these.
Are they the same ones?
No.
No. Thank you.
I thought about going where they were, but literally where they were was like completely covered in water.
Oh.
Theoretically, I did get some of these from just like up the beach from where they were. They could be the same ones. Do they look familiar?
Yeah, they look like the exact same ones. Yeah, I have them all memorized.
This one's Fred, Charlie.
This one's 0012. This one's 003. Justin, brace for, wait, I haven't started yet.
Too late, it already happened.
Wait, Justin, brace for impact.
What?
And boom.
The other guy hit him right on.